For decades, we believed we had finally mapped the limits of everything. Scientists proudly pointed to the edge of the observable universe, claiming that beyond that distant cosmic horizon, space simply continued more or less the same. But new discoveries have shattered that confidence completely. What if I told you the universe doesn't end where we thought it does? What if the cosmic boundary we believed in is nothing more than an illusion created by time, light, and the limits of human perception? And what if the universe is not just bigger than we imagined, but stranger, deeper, and far more infinite than our minds were ever prepared to understand? Today, we revisit the biggest cosmic question of all. Where does the universe truly end? And the answer changes everything. Welcome back to VibeVerse, the home of smart, viral, daily content where we break down the biggest mysteries of science, tech, finance, and the future. If you love facts that twist your reality, discoveries that make you say, "No way," and explanations that connect cosmic mysteries to everyday curiosity, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe, join the VibeVerse family, and today, let's travel to the farthest edges of existence. Because the truth about where the universe ends is not just surprising, it's one of the most mind-bending revelations ever uncovered in modern cosmology. Fact 1: we misunderstood the universe's boundary for most of modern science. The edge of the universe was defined by the observable universe, the distance light has traveled since the Big Bang. That gave us a limit of roughly 46.5 billion light-years in every direction. But new research proves that this boundary is not a real edge at all, just the limit of what light has had time to reach us. The universe is expanding faster than we can observe, meaning that what we see is only a small bubble inside something much larger. Our apparent edge is simply the edge of our visibility, not the edge of space. Fact 2: accelerating expansion changes ever-thinly. Astronomers expected the universe's expansion to slow over time. Instead, they discovered it's accelerating due to something mysterious: dark energy. This acceleration means the universe is growing faster than light travels, pushing entire regions of space permanently out of our reach. As a result, we cannot measure the universe's true size, because the cosmic horizon is racing away faster than we can observe it. The more the universe expands, the less we actually see. Fact 3: the universe is far bigger than we ever imagined. If expansion outpaces observation, then the visible universe becomes a tiny island inside a vast cosmic ocean. Some scientists estimate the real universe might be 250 times larger, while others suggest it could be millions of times bigger, or even infinite. Our cosmic map is not showing the universe, it's showing the small region where light has managed to reach us. Beyond that lies an unimaginable expanse of galaxies, structures, and cosmic regions we will never detect. But new models show the universe might be flat and endless, or curved like a four-dimensional sphere, or even looped like a donut, where traveling in one direction eventually brings you back to your starting point. In these models, there is no wall, no border, and no boundary, only an endless continuum of space. Fact 5: there are regions we will never see because the universe expands faster than light travels. Some regions are moving away from us so quickly that their light will never reach Earth. Even with infinite time and infinite technology, those regions remain permanently hidden. This means the universe contains galaxies, stars, structures, and perhaps even new forms of physics that we will never be able to detect. Our observable universe is not the universe. It's just the lit-up circle inside a much larger cosmic night. Fact 6: our universe might be one bubble in a multiverse. New theories propose that our universe might be just one bubble inside an infinite multiverse. If true, our boundary is simply the edge of our bubble, not the edge of everything. Beyond our bubble might exist countless other universes with different laws of physics, different matter, and possibly even different versions of reality. These universes may collide, drift apart, or form endlessly in an eternal cosmic foam. Fact 7: the Big Bang might not be the beginning. If the universe does not end where we thought it does, then the beginning may also not be what we assume. Some cosmologists believe the Big Bang was not a beginning, but a transition from a previous universe, from a collapsing phase, or from a quantum fluctuation in higher dimensional space. This means time itself might not have a true starting point. The universe might be old, larger, and more complex than the Big Bang model suggests. Fact 8. The universe might expand into higher dimensions. Some theories propose that our universe is expanding into dimensions we cannot perceive. Just like a balloon expands in 3 dimensions while its surface exists in 2, our universe might be stretching into a dimension beyond our senses. If this is true, then the edge of the universe is not a location we can reach, it's a shift into higher dimensional geometry that we cannot experience. Fact 9. The universe could end before we ever reach the edge. Even if we wanted to discover the universe's boundary, we might never get the chance. Cosmic predictions show that the universe could end in several ways. A heat death where everything cools to absolute zero, a big rip where space tears itself apart, a vacuum decay that resets the laws of physics instantly, or a reverse collapse into a new Big Bang. In all scenarios, humanity never reaches the edge, because the universe ends before we do. Fact 10. The universe isn't designed for human understanding. Perhaps the biggest revelation that the universe is not simple, not intuitive, and not built to match human expectations. We are small beings on a small planet with small senses, trying to understand a system that operates on scales beyond imagination. Our mistake wasn't bad science, it was assuming the universe behaves in ways we can easily comprehend. It doesn't. It bends, stretches, folds, twists, expands, hides, and evolves in ways the human mind was never built to naturally grasp. Conclusion. So, where does the universe end? The truth is beautifully simple and overwhelmingly profound. We don't know, and we may never know. The universe might be infinite, or it might be bounded in ways we cannot perceive. It may loop, it may stretch forever, or it may dissolve into a new cosmic phase long before we ever reach its limits. But that's what makes exploring it so magical. Every discovery reveals how little we truly understand, and how much more there is to learn. Thank you for watching. If your mind is expanded, hit like, comment, and subscribe for more smart, viral, daily, cosmic content. Welcome to the universe. Welcome to VibeVerse.